Hi there, my name is William Michael Forbes. I'm a spiritual medium, a channel, and an intuitive coach. I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. We are at an amazing time in human consciousness and planetary development and evolution. The goal of my YouTube channel is to enlighten people as to how they may connect to higher beings, angels, archangels, multidimensional beings, in order to facilitate a greater expansion in human consciousness so that each of us may maximize our own potential in contributing to the wellness and happiness of humanity as a whole and united family system. In that process of bringing people to a state of joy and connectivity to one another, we will also affect the planet directly, electromagnetically. There are 7 billion human beings on this planet that are all affecting the energy around them. The planetary energy is being affected by all of us, what we think, what we feel, what we say, what we do. When we change our emotional energy state from a state of fear to a state of love, we can manifest great, powerful, positive changes, not only in the human condition, but in the global condition and our relationship with all other forms of life on this planet. I invite you to join me on my channel on this mission to bring 1 billion people together for the purpose of altering and changing the electromagnetic consciousness of the planet as a whole, to bring people, humanity particularly, into a unified whole and into harmony with nature. That being said, I want you to also enjoy the videos that I have here. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy the videos you watch and observe. Please give me your feedback. I love having your questions coming towards me. I'll answer them as quick as possible. I do channel divine beings, so if you want to book a session with me, you can do that also. We also run courses and classes on mediumship, how to teach you how to connect to your guides, your angels, multidimensional beings, and learn to bring through information that's beyond your established mental framework for understanding what reality is. And I invite you to go to my website, www.williammichaelforbescoaching.com, and you can go to courses and classes and get all the information there and the schedule as well. So thank you for coming by. Have yourself a wonderful, joyful day. Much love to all of you, and I really appreciate your time. I look forward to connecting to you.